Fall. It's fall, guys. It's so cozy outside. I'm just kidding. It's like 100 degrees out here. So we have 4 blends in the fall collection. Look. They're called Pumpkin Cream, Hello President Trump, Vamp. Can we please keep TikTok? Upper East Side. I know, but what else am I gonna do till 2 o'clock in the morning? And what's the other one? Old Fashioned. All these blends feel like fall to me because they all involve rich jewel tones, which I'm very vibey on right now, also with neons, but come through, Ugg, come through. Old Fashioned is kind of a drink that I would like to drink during the fall, maybe by a fire. Like, this is fall for me. It's kind of like getting cold outside, colder. Hey, did you watch I'll Be Gone in the Dark? Golden, reddish, orange hue. Oh, I'm super into like murder stuff. I don't know, I'm not a mixologist. I'm just pre-gaming for Halloween right now. That's not normal, but that's what I would do because I'm not normal. Shall we? Pumpkin cream. It's just beautiful pastel orange, white, and it has candy corns in it, which are very divisive apparently. Some people love them, some people hate them. Peach hair and peach sweatshirt. I love them. Upper East Side kind of reminds me of Gossip Girl, like a very, very expensive apartment in New York that's decorated with, like, you know, all Anthropologie furniture, and it's just like peach, teal, emerald fashion. How fetch is this? Vamp, I struggled with. I wanted to name it like 5 different things. I wanted to name it Team Edward, then I wanted to name it Forbidden Fruit, but everyone thought Vamp was the most obvious choice. You know, we have red sixlets in it, so it kind of reminds us of the red apples on the book cover, and it actually ended up being like one of my favorites. Okay, so the collection is live. I hope you guys love it as much as I love it and Annabelle loves it. So yeah, hit it up, check it out, and let us know which one is your fave. You gonna go try to kill some more squirrels in the yard?